helping NASA. I'm the group, the lead for the NASA Transformative Vertical Flight Working Group. Basically what that team does is leveraging the forthcoming technology and development of eVTOL. Anywhere from 1 person to 5 person manned drone, basically. How do we use that for public services? Search and rescue, disaster relief, firefighting, get firemen out of harm's way, and so on. So there's a lot of applications that we think it can be done. The way, as we look into the operations, we were talking about the search and rescue. In reality, because eVTOL has shorter range and shorter endurance compared to a helicopter or drone, and the search and rescue operation may actually become a combination of the man-sized drone and the longer endurance smaller drone. A smaller drone, we can send out a dozen of those, map out different areas for either fire situation or disaster areas and so on. Once we've got the situation mapped out, we send in specifically those manned drones to either deliver medical kit, food and water, and at the same time be able to bring the people who got injured or whatever, bring them back. So those are possibilities, and we think the combination of a drone and eVTOL can be very beneficial applications. Basically, for example, if we are looking for people in the water, in the ocean, if something happened to their boat or whatever, and one best way to do it is to send out a fleet of drones using your software to pre-program the search pattern. We can coordinate, if we send out 6 of them, each one covers a certain area, we can be much more time efficient and map out the whole area, search area. Once we find the person, we can either send a boat out or send the eVTOL out to pick up the person or drop a life raft so that they can be rescued to safety.